Welcome to K7 AI Trading Lab. This channel is created purely for educational and learning purposes. Our goal is to help traders and learners understand financial markets, trading concepts, and disciplined trading practices. Please note that we are not SEBI registered advisors, and the content shared on this channel should not be considered as financial or investment advice. All the information, analysis, and strategies shared here are only for educational discussion and knowledge sharing. Before making any investment or trading decision, please do your own research or consult a SEBI registered financial advisor. At K7 AI Trading Lab, we focus on building market understanding, disciplined trading habits, risk management, and a balanced mindset. Trading is not just about profits, it is about discipline, patience, emotional control, and maintaining both financial and personal well-being. Our mission is to help traders learn the markets better, stay disciplined, stay healthy, and work toward long-term financial stability. Thank you for being part of the K7 AI Trading Lab learning journey.